Good morning, guys. This is always A.K. Matata for my giving peoples, and I want to wish you guys, each and every one of you guys, a very, very, very happy Thanksgiving. I have a lot to be thankful, especially on my YouTube channel. I have 363 reasons that I am thankful, and that's all my subscribers. So 360 people that listen to what, that cares to listen to what I have to say is freaking awesome, you know. Hopefully 2019 is a better year for us. A lot of times we concentrate too much on the things that we want, not need, and the things that we don't have. But we quickly forget the things that we do have, and that's one, health. I am healthy. I have my kids that are healthy. I have my wife that is healthy. And I have this car, is the Mule, and I have my Infinity, and I have my Motora Sport. So things could be a lot worse. Yes, I wish I had my house. I wish I had my garage so I could work on my cars at any time of the day, do more projects, do way more content. You know, I wish I had the Vader with me, but hopefully in 2019 is the year. So yeah, I am very thankful for the people that support me and that think this channel has potential. So thank you guys, and have a very happy Thanksgiving. Till next time.